You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word the original way. Yes, it's a word from French originally. In English, it's said either, the English pronunciation, either vicissitudes or vicissitudes. That's how the Americans say it, vicissitudes. Now in French, the French pronunciation here is vicissitude, okay? Vicissitude. Yeah, the S is not pronounced. That's the plural. If you remove the S, that's singular, and the pronunciation doesn't change because the S is silent. So, vicissitude. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.